Look at, she goes. I don't know. Now I wonder what I gotta ask him why they're separated.
Could be a family.
Like that, and I'll give you the whole dish.
Oh,
There you go. Good morning. We had a great night last night at Two Nights Brewing. It was extremely quiet. We only had early on in the evening, we have a little road that's right out here, a little, you'll see it in the video actually. It was very quiet. A few cars ran by, but then at about 10 o'clock at night, nothing. Absolute silence, no birds, no nothing. We had hoped to see the Aurora Borealis, but the clouds stayed in. It said that they were supposed to clear off by 11 o'clock at night, and they really didn't. 3 o'clock in the morning, I got up and took a look out the windows and tried to see the Aurora Borealis, and there was nothing. There was absolutely nothing. The clouds had cleared off. I saw 2 satellites that went over, and that's it. We ran off of battery all night. We didn't really use anything. We turned off the refrigerator and let that settle down, and then we went out and started first thing this morning, we started the generator, got it hitched up, then we're just kicking off and running some coffee right now. So right now we're running, it's strange because we're on generator, so we have heat, we have the refrigerator back on, but we're just testing out the Jackery, and we use that to plug in the coffee pot and then charge my phone and batteries from yesterday. It works really well. It takes up very little space on the rear counter. Running right now. I've got my DJI microphone batteries charging up in my phone. The DJI batteries were supposed to run, or the microphone was supposed to run for about 15 hours. And it didn't. It ran all yesterday. Jane and I were connected to it. I'm not connected to it now, but that's it. Jane's picking up, cleaning up, and I'm just sitting here getting ready to have my coffee. So this is what we're using. We've got the generator right in here. The generator is very, very quiet. It's so quiet. So that's the bunker behind us. Two Nights Brewing. Like I said before, the construction people that actually put this together when they were working on it called it the bunker. So that's why they named their ale Bunker Ale. It cleared off last night, and it looks like we're supposed to get some rain today. So we're going to hang out here for a bit because it looks like it's a front that's moving through or a patch of rain that's running through, and then we'll be able to get to the Alpaca Farm. And the Alpaca Farm is supposed to be, what, 9 to 5? Yeah. Check in 9 to 5, so we can get in anytime we want. We're packing up. Jane's bringing in the slides. One and number 2. Checking the tires, 79, 79, and 80. That's good. Did the walk around, yep. Headed to Misty Acres Alpaca Farm in Sidney, Maine. It's supposed to be about, what, 64 miles?
Hour and 15 minutes.
Hour and 15 minutes. And then we checked the weather, and it said that the weather was supposed to be rainy and starting at 9 o'clock. So about 8:30 we started picking up, and sure enough, at 9 o'clock, it began to rain.
The forecast, they were right.
Yeah, they were right. So, yeah, leaving Two Nights Brewing, it was a great night. Actually, perfect night for sleeping. Very quiet, very quiet. There's nobody here. What'd they say that they had a couple people last week?
Last night.
Oh, last night.
Night before us.
How many people did they say?
Two.
Oh, just two. Lots of parking. It's not very level, but we can deal with it.
Turn right.
This is a cute little town. Well, it stopped raining and it looks pretty good. Seems as though it's clear right now, but the rain is actually coming in behind us. We actually lucked out, and I think it's going to be clear driving. So what did you want to tell everybody about subscribing on our YouTube channel?
Oh, yes. So subscribe. Most people here subscribe and they think you have to pay something, you know, like magazine subscription or something. But for YouTube, it just means when you subscribe that you're going to get notified every time John puts out a new video. So don't be afraid to hit subscribe, and you don't have to sign up or anything special for YouTube. You can just hit subscribe. Oh, and like. Don't forget to click like.
So please click like, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You. We appreciate you watching our videos.
Yes, we appreciate you. Right now we're heading to Misty Acres Alpaca Farm in Sidney, Maine. We have some other trips coming up that you want to stay tuned. 1 mile?
Yes. It's not going to last very long, but it is raining. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. I see what he said. We'll see him down by his shop.
So we just got set up with the at the Alpaca Farm. We're all set up. Pulled out. We're all set up. We don't have the jacks down. We're still connected to the truck. But as I was backing up, see if he's still here, this little guy was squawking. He liked hanging around. He was making a lot of noise. I don't know how friendly he is, but he's been all over the truck. I don't know. The alpacas came running out to greet us, but because it was raining, they all ran into the barn. We met Red. He's inside the workshop here, working. Jane's on the phone. She's on hold. Hi, honey. Can't really see him too well, but the alpaca's watching us from inside the barn. Yeah. That's our location for this evening. Sun finally came out, the rain stopped, and we're heading up to the gift shop just to check it out. We were worried about the batteries. We ran off generator last night, but it's fully charged now. We only had about, hour and 15 minutes to get down here. The only exercise we've had all day. I'm out of breath. Wow. Wow.
Where she's going today, Fall River, Mass, they make the survival socks and the backpacker socks right here.
Yeah.
They make most all the mittens and gloves and the cut-off gloves. They make some hats and scarves.
Oh my gosh.
Everything else goes back to Peru to be made.
Oh, excellent. Oh, then they spin in the yarn and make all kinds of things down there in Peru.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
I know.
yeah. Hopefully it's coming back.
Oh, there's survival socks.
So you guys headed up and through Canada now?
No, we're heading back down.
Or you headed back
Kind of
down?
We didn't, we went up to 2 Nights Brewing in Sangerville.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We came from New Hampshire, and then now we're staying here tonight, and then we're going back down to Kennebunkport in that area, staying for 5 days.
It's our first time out
Yeah.
this year, so
Oh,
we just
okay.
want to get our feet wet.
Yeah.
Check out all the everything inside of the camper to make sure everything works. You know what that's going to be like, yeah.
Oh, I know what
Before
that
you get
is
too
like.
far, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna use it right here for 2-3 times.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
good idea.
Yeah,
Yeah, just, oh, this works, and hitch this up here, and store this over here,
yeah,
and,
exactly.
Like those.
Even the following year, right?
well, that's,
Starting all over again, you know?
yeah, we just,
Oh, you don't want me in the picture? But what if I did this in front of you? What's that? Just like this? Getting a picture of you?
that's someplace you should be.
I think I'm there. Hi guys. Yes, I'm talking to you.
Don't show Fred.
Fred
they
doesn't
are
know
laying
about these
down.
guys.
I thought that was. I'm looking at those from the camper. I'm like, is that?
Oh, I didn't see
hay?
them laying
Yeah,
down until
they're
you just
lying
pointed them
down.
out. Yeah. Yeah,
Look
they're
at
just
them.
hanging out.
Laying in the sun.
It's not like cows. Oh, there we go. He's getting up. Or she's getting up, whichever.
Isn't that funny?
His wife's bringing down in Fall River, Mass, delivering the,
Alpaca wool. I wonder if the deer hang around here too. Let's go inside. I bet you they're not hanging out in the barn now. They used to do all kinds of fairs to sell their products.
Hi. What's happening?
little things.
Huh? I'm sorry.
Was that you making that noise,
That
Jane?
wasn't me.
Rah, rah. Were they talking to you?
I don't know which one it was. There's some little funky noise.
I heard this. Rah,
Yeah.
rah. I thought it was you.
Might have been that one. I don't know. One of the.
Aren't they funny? Look at their necks.
You said they have how many? 32?
Four.
34? And they used to have, what, 100 and something?
134.
What are you looking at?
Side eye. You're getting the side eye. Look at. She got.
Yes,
She,
oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Eh,
Now I wonder what I gotta ask him why they're separated. That black one.
could be a family.
Yeah, I hear you. What's up? I like that color.
Getting the side eye again. Well, hi. And he said they really don't spit, except when you go to feed them. What they'll do is they'll spit on the food. That way none of the other ones will eat it.
This bird's like, why do you keep coming back?
I know. Jenny the guinea.
I know. Sorry.
Likes our truck.
Like that, and I'll give you the whole dish.
Oh, jeez.
Hold it away from him, because
Yeah, I'll eat it right out.
they'll take the dish right out of your hand.
Oh, I have no doubt.
Put your hand right inside.
Oh,
You got a little piglets right there.
is this their regular food?
Lots of living food, that's what it is today.
Hi, guys. I know.
Is this their regular food or is this a...
That's there.
Well, there you go.
There you go. Well, I know, I see you. Are they supposed, you want something too? Huh?
Do they all get some?
There you go. He's got a collar. What's that? Oh, that guy does. So, what are some have collars.
That's just so we can tell them apart quicker instead of looking for the chip in their reed.
Oh, yeah. That's how I identify my wife. I try to put a collar on it. She won't let me.
Try to make it easier to identify. I'm sorry.
How often do you have to put them?
I'm sorry? This one went mouth.
Wait. Where's Fred? Fred. Okay, Fred. He is out of control. Come on, let's go. Okay, Fred. Lead the way. Okay, we're going out for a bit. You stay here. Well, we certainly hope you've enjoyed hanging out with us. It's been quite a journey. If you want to see more content, the best way to support us is to check out these videos you see right here on the screen. We will see you on our next video.